How to fix Amazon is not showing your orders. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If Amazon is not showing your orders and you are a seller, first and foremost, always go ahead and check your filters. These filters are often in your right hand side, over which you'll be able to select the date range or ship by dates. By selecting on the date, you'll be able to view all of your orders. If not, make sure that you are looking at the correct fulfillment view. In your right hand corner again, there you will see the option of View Seller Fulfilled Orders. Go ahead and select on it to find out every order. If not, review your refinements. This will be in your left hand side. You will see a Refine By widget, including sales channel and business order. Check to sure you have got the correct refinement. And this is how you'll be able to view all of the orders and fix the issue of Amazon not showing your orders. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.